Hello dear kids and their grandparents. We are going to perform one activity which you will perform together. So this is t-shirt printing activity on which we are going to give our hand impression on it. So for that you need all these things. The first important thing is white t-shirt. It should be plain, mostly plain, because we need to do our artwork on it. And here I have things like fabric colors. Any kind of fabric color you can use. We will use 3 shades of it. Then I am having one brush to apply color on our hand. And one more thing which I have is, one is these Fevicryl liners. It is not compulsory. Instead of this you can use permanent marker, red color of permanent marker. And here I am having some rough papers so that we will cure the back side of t-shirt. So I am going to start with the activity. So firstly we will take the t-shirt and we need to spread it properly. And what we need to do is, we will insert the rough papers inside the t-shirt so that our impression will not go till the back side. So here I am inserting some rough papers to cure our t-shirt. I am inserting it. I am not putting it on the back. I am inserting it inside. So we need to use the necessary and sufficient number of papers so that it will not spoil the back side of the t-shirt. Now firstly, one important thing is that we are going to take impression of child with both the hands, and we will take one hand impression of grandparents. So here I am starting with the first shade of color. You can take any color, it's up to you. So here I am using blue color for child. So what we need to do is, so here I am having Naksh with myself to help me out with the printing. So that what we need to do, we need to mix one color with little bit of water. We will not mix too much water in it. We want it thick in the texture. Now I am applying color on both the hands. We will not apply too much color. We will apply it properly and we will cover each and every part of our palm like this. So I am applying color on both the hands. One more thing is important. We will do it quickly so that it will not get dry. So once it is completed, we need to take a print. We will take a impression on a t-shirt. How we will place? We will place it together like this, and we will press the palm slightly to get the proper print of each and every finger like this. Then we will hold up our hands like this. So here I got proper impression of our hands. Then what we need to do is wipe the hands. Now we need grandparents. So here I am not having grandparents, but I will print my hands on it. So we got 2 prints of our hands. Then what we need to do is, we need to mix the another color. So I am using red color as the next one. one more thing is this, we need less color because we need to print only one hand of grandparents, that is one is of grandma and one is of grandpa. So I am using very less color. Again we will not mix too much water in it. We will add few drops in it, only few drops of water, not more than that. So here I am applying it on my hand like this. So like this we need to apply it on each and every part of our hand. Again same process I am following up. So what I will do, I will just put my hand on it, but this you will do with your grandma or grandpa. So like this we have one print of our hand. So next color I am taking is yellow color. Again you can take any color. We will mix only few drops of water in it. Then what we have to do, we will apply it on the another hand. One which we have taken is my left, so I will take my right hand. So I will apply color on it. Again the same process is there. We will apply it on each and every part of our palm like this. One more important thing is that kids will not do this activity alone. They need help of their mama or papa and of course grandparents, because we need their impressions to execute this activity properly. We need help of adult. So I am applying it like this completely. Now it's applied, so I am just placing it on the proper place. Again I am following the same procedure. I am just pressing my hand properly so that it will get proper impression like this. So here we got all 4 impressions. Okay, so we have completed with the impressions. Now I am going to write something interesting on it. So I am using this permanent marker. You can use that Fevicryl liner also if you have, otherwise you can use this only. So what I am going to write is, so we will write, this is the impression of grandpa, so we will write it. Again we will not write it at their own. We need the help of mama or papa to write, because we need to make it beautiful. So we will write G R A N D P A. This is grandpa, and we will write and in between like this. Now this is the impression of grandma, so we will write grandma here. will write grandma here. I'm just stretching the t-shirt with my 2 fingers so that it is making me write properly. So here I am writing grandma. One more important thing is we will put apostrophe S with both. Now what you will do, you will write your name here, and I am not writing the name, I am just writing the ending line, that is helping hands. So like this we will do. One more important thing is that we will write touching the impressions, because it will look really nice when it's completed. So here we have completed with the helping hands. But if you are writing with the Fevicryl liner, you need to put the t-shirt for more than 8 hours to let it dry. So once you have completed, you can pull out the rough paper from the t-shirt. And if you are using marker, it's ready to wear, and it will look like this once it is completed. So I hope you all will enjoy this activity and you will perform it together with your grandparents. So thank you and happy Grandparents' Day to you all.